Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoScience. Today we are going to discuss the second phylum of the non-chordates, that is the phylum Coelenterata. Now let's discuss about the general characteristics of this phylum. Coelenterates are mostly marine except hydra. These are sessile or free swimming and solitary or colonial. They exhibit radial symmetry and have tissue level of organization. Coelenterates are acoelomate, but they do have a cavity known as coelentron. It acts as a gastrovascular cavity and allows the entry of food and other materials. Coelenterates are diploblastic organism with two cellular layers. The outer layer is known as Epidermis and the inner layer is known as Gastrodermis with a gelatineous acellular mesoglea in between. Epidermis have some special cells and these cells are known as Cnidoblast. They are commonly known as stinging cells. These cells are present in the outer epidermis and on the tentacles, and it serves for adhesion, food capture, offense and defense. So when the cnidoblast is used as a stinging cells, there is a structure which is dirted out and it is known as the nematocytes. Now let's know about its nutrition. So nutrition in coelenterates are holozoic. They take solid food and digestion is extracellular as well as intracellular. So in coelenterates, the respiration and excretion, both this process, it takes place through the body surface and eliminate ammonia as the nitrogenous waste. So that's why coelenterates are ammonotelic. And one of the important characteristics of coelenterates is it shows two forms, that is the attached polyp and free swimming medusa. So polyps are sessile and has a tubular body with a mouth surrounded by tentacles at one end. The other end is blind and usually attached by a paddle disc to the substratum. Example, Adamsia. And the free swimming medusa, these are umbrella shaped body with marginal tentacles and mouth centrally located on a manumbrum of the lower concave surface. Example, Aurelia. So Aurelia is also known as the jellyfish. So this is one of the important characteristics of the phylum Coelenterates. Now let's discuss about the nervous system. So the nervous system in the Coelenterates is primitive with the diffuse nerve net. Here the reproduction is both asexual and sexual reproduction. So in Coelenterates, the asexual reproduction is by the exogenous budding, where the bud is from outside the body. And the sexual reproduction is by formation of gametes. It shows both direct and indirect development. So in direct development, there is no larval stage, and in indirect development, there is the larval stage, and the most important larva is the planular larva. Now let's discuss about the classification of the phylum Coelenterata. So here the first class is hydrozoa. Example, hydra, obelia. And the second class is Scyphozoa. Example, Aurelia. rhizostoma, and the third class is known as the Anthozoa. Example, Metridium and Adamsia. So in the next part, we will discuss some of the examples of this phylum